Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be the last video of this year, and few years back I have a bunch of beta fishes, but now unfortunately I didn't have any of those. Feelings apart. So today I'm going to draw a beautiful beta fish, and let's start the sketching, my friends. So the sketching is done. Let's jump into the coloring, my friends. For this I'm going to use Durban Color soft color pencils, which was gifted by one of our family member as Christmas gift. Thank you so much, Priya, for giving me this, and I haven't opened it yet. Let's open it up and give it a try. Let's jump into it, my friends. Friends, usually drawing before anything, if the material is new, I'll be testing it out in any paper, but in this drawing I'm going to draw straight away on the paper. Hopefully it will be good. Friends, these color pencils are so vibrant than the polychromos, but it have some drawbacks on blendings. Some color pencils are blending so much well, but some are lacking. I don't know why, but overall it is a very good color pencils. Friends, in my previous video I have done a wall painting, a huge wall painting. If you haven't seen that video, please go and watch it, because most of you guys had watched it and given a huge and crazy support. I'm so happy to see that, and if you haven't seen that, please go and watch it. The video is linked in description as well as in the cards. Please just check it. Friends, the drawing is done halfway, but I'm going to draw the background as black. I'm not sure how it's going to be, but I'm confident enough to draw it. So for this I'm going to use a black oil pastel, because I can't draw the whole area with a black pencil. It's going to be costly. Yeah. For blending I'm using a paper stamp. It's gonna be white because usually you'll be using paper towel, but for precision I'm using this. So friends, here's the drawing, friends. I hope you all like it, and I'm just signing it right now. Friends, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends, and if you are new to this channel, I love to have you subscribe right here and turn on the post notifications. If you already subscribed, thank you so much, friends. And yeah, as I said, if you like this video, please share this video to your friends and relatives and family. Friends, thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video, friends.